Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds TCL. Firstly, make sure that you enable the Bluetooth. Open control panel and check it, and enable the Bluetooth if it's disabled. Now, your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically, but for iOS devices, we need to do this manually after we turn on the Bluetooth. So on your iPhone, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, because sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that don't want to reconnect automatically, so you can try to do this on your Android. At the device list, just tap at your earbuds, and we have connection. Now, if it didn't help you, we should perform the software set. To perform the software set, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. After that, open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds reconnect to your phone. So this one can fix your problem. So check. And also, if it do not reconnect automatically, just try to tap on them at the device list. Now, if the software set didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, at the back side of each earbud we have touch controls, so right here we have TCL, this one is touch control, and right here. Firstly, I recommend it to put these earbuds to your ears and then press and hold touch controls until you will hear the prompt power off, because we should turn off these headphones. Here we go, power off. And after that, press and hold again. Firstly, we turn on the headphones. After that, you will hear that it entered to pairing mode. Keep holding these buttons, and you can release your fingers after you will hear the prompt device activate. So, press and hold, power on. Now it should enter to pairing mode. Yeah, I hear the prompt pairing, and I keep holding these controls. Device active. Then we can reconnect them with the phone. So we need to open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device, or you may have forget device button or forget button or unpair or remove, and forget device. And you will remove them from your phone. Without it, if you try to reconnect them, on iOS it will ask you to remove them, on Android it will show you connection problem. So after you remove your earbuds, if you have Android, at the top click pair new device button, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button in the Bluetooth, tap at this button. After that, you will find your headphones at the device list and you need to tap on them. And we just reconnect them. Now check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But the problem is you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And first I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find the similar path to these settings. Now on your iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to the general settings. Scroll down, you need to find general line, tap at this line, and right here at the bottom you will find transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at that line, then click reset, and in this window you need to select reset network settings. There is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. That's why we tap at this button. You need to write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now for iOS, now let's move to Android. On Android, open Settings. And then we should go to the system. So scroll down, click at the system line, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, at the bottom we have reset options. Tap at this line. In this window you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!